It's been a couple of weeks since I last recorded the video for YouTube, but I've still been in the studio mixing for clients, still grinding. And there's a few plugins that I love using. I've noticed that I've used them a lot. It's really helped to polish my sound, get the vibe that I want, and I just want to share them with you. So if your mixes sound a little bit flat, or you're looking for some inspiration, or you want your mixes to sound a lot more polished, then watch this video. So first up, we've got End Console. If you've been watching my videos from before, you know how much I love End Console. So this is End Console on the Mastering fader. The main output. And what we can do here with the main out is, with the End Console, we can put an End Console on all the channels, across all the channels, gain stage through that plugin, and then route it to this, what do they call it, mastering fader. And we can group all the channels to this mastering group. And then after that, we can add a fat knob and some saturation, and it just makes everything sound cool, nice and clean. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna A/B it so you can hear what's going on. Turn it off. Actually, I'll just bypass it. Tragedy, when the feeling is gone and you can't hold on no more, you can call that tragedy. I see the morning cry, make the bass hit hard in your chest when they pray on me, that's blasphemy. I wanna come in the dance, hit the migraine, slack me. All of the people, them toast for me. I wanna see all of the girl, them dance for me. I wanna see all of the man, them gun lean. Top girl, like, trust me. Chingy, yeah, I'm chungly. I'm so Malone, yeah, I'm so Bugsy. Everyone's talking about me. Everyone wants to know who is around me. Everyone wants to know who's talking of tragedy. When the feeling is gone and you can't hold on no more, you can call that tragedy. I see the morning cry, make the bass hit hard in your chest when they pray on me, that's blasphemy. I wanna come in the dance, hit the migraine, slack me. All of the people, them toast for me. I wanna see all of the girl, them dance for me. So for me, it just adds like a nice extra bit of saturation, perceived loudness, makes it sound louder, but it's not making it louder by boosting the peaks. It just gives it a nice whole, like a really nice round feel. I love the sound of this, absolutely love it. Tragedy, when the feeling is gone and you can't hold on no more, you can call that tragedy. I see the morning cry, make the bass hit hard in your chest when they pray on me, that's blasphemy. I wanna come in the dance, hit the migraine, slack me. All of the people, them toast for me. I wanna see all of the... Like, especially when you listen to the vocals, how it feels like the vocals push forward, the bass fills out a lot more, and it just sounds a lot more like it's giving it depth. Tragedy, when the feeling is gone and you can't hold on no more, you can call that tragedy. I see the morning... So when it's off, it sounds flat. When it's on, it sounds vibrant. Tragedy, when the feeling is gone and you can't hold on no more, you can call that tragedy. I see the morning cry, make the bass hit hard in your chest when they pray on me, that's blasphemy. I wanna come in the dance, hit the migraine, slack me. All of the people, them toast for me. I wanna see for me. Nice, love that. So my second plugin, which is a newbie, it's just come out not too long ago, and that is HiFAL. So again, I'm gonna turn it off and turn it on. This is on my pre-fader, which is acting as my main bus. So in and out and in, out then in. Tragedy, when the feeling is gone and you can't hold on no more, you can call that tragedy. I see the morning cry, make the bass hit hard in your chest when they pray on me, that's blasphemy. I wanna come in the dance, hit the migraine, slack me. All of the people, them toast for me. I wanna see all of the girl, them dance for me. I wanna see all of the man, them gun lean. Top girl, like, trust me. Chingy, yeah, I'm chungly. I'm so Malone. So what that's doing is it's squeezing down this section here, so I'm gonna solo it. When the feeling is gone and you can't hold on no more, you can call that tragedy. I see the morning cry, make the bass hit hard in your chest when they pray on me, that's blasphemy. I feel like there it's a bit screechy, a bit annoying. So what this is doing, I'm just using a threshold to just pull that down, that section, and then I'm just boosting it by 1 dB just to bring it back up. So it's kind of like, you could say it's like a DSO, but it's not a DSO. It's doing way more stuff under the hood that just makes it sound so sweet and polished. And over this side, you've got like a parallel limiter, and that's just doing a small section here, and then I can just boost that again to give it even more sheen. This is with and without, so I'll turn it down and I'll boost it, I'll exaggerate it so you can hear what's going on. Tragedy, when the feeling is gone and you can't hold on no more, you can call that tragedy. I see the morning cry, make the bass hit hard in your chest when they pray on me, that's blasphemy. I wanna come in the dance, hit the migraine, slack me. All of the people, them toast for me. I wanna see all of the girl, them dance for me. I wanna see all of the man, them gun lean. Top girl, like, trust me. Chingy, yeah, I'm chungly. I'm so Malone, yeah, I'm so Bugsy. Everyone's talking about me. Everyone wants to know who is around me. Everyone wants to know who's talking of tragedy. When the feeling is gone and you is around me. Lovely, what a special plugin that is. Seriously nice, so nice. So this next plugin is from Waves, TrueVerb, and yeah, this is I've been using this on almost everything that I just want to push back into the stereo field. So if I'm trying to get my vocals, my main vocals and my background vocals to sound like it's behind, and yeah, it just works so nice. I love it. I use it on synths. Actually, I'll show you on the synths.
And you can't hold on no more, you can call that tragedy. I see the morning cry, make the bass hit hard in your chest when they pray on me, that's blasphemy. I wanna come in the dance, hit the migrant, slack me. All of the people, them toast for me. I wanna see all of the girl, them dance for me. I wanna see.
So if you hear it, when I turn it off, it's like the synths push forward to the point where it's kind of like, it's not fighting with the vocals, but it's almost like a main, where the vocals is supposed to be the main. This is off, and then I'll turn it on so you can hear it.
Tragedy, when the feeling is gone and you can't hold on no more, you can call that tragedy. I see the morning cry, make the bass hit hard in your chest when they pray on me, that's blasphemy. I wanna come in the dance, hit the migrant, slack me. All of the people, them toast for me. I wanna see all of the girl, them dance for me.
How cool does that sound? It's like it just takes a step back from the vocals and lets the vocals push forward and be the main star. And all that's doing is early reflections, no early reflection, reverb turned off. All I'm doing then is just mess around at the distance from the main source. So it's pushing it back. That is courtesy of Jason Joshua, and I just saved that as a preset. So yeah, those are my 3 favorite plugins at the moment: N-Console, HiFAL, and TrueVerb. So if you want your mixes, so use the N-Console to get that extra separation in your mix. Use HiFAL to give you that sheen and polish while taking out frequencies that are bugging, and then use TrueVerb with that setting, screenshot it to push things back in your mix, giving you that 3D separation. 3D separation. So yeah, with those 3 plugins, you can't go wrong. Drop a comment below, let me know what 3 plugins that are really doing it for you at the moment, that you always put on your mix just to get a certain sound, because I would like to know. Appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.